This video is a re-upload of a previous video that Job and I did not too long ago, back in December. I believe it was Christ's Mass Day. And we were kind of rushing. Everything was kind of a mess. And I'm going to try and do this in a better way. It was horribly lit because we were in a kitchen with people talking and stuff, so the shadows were all kind of messed up. So I'm reviewing honest, genuine, registered U.S. trademark, St. John's Bay quality footwear, well made and classic. These cost usually 120 bucks, but on Black Friday they were 45. They are styled in the style of Negan from The Walking Dead. There are a few differences, as you can tell. I mean, they do have the zipper. These ones had some damage when she got them, for me. I wish I would have noticed that, but I think like I can honestly just take a marker and just make that black. It looks like someone wore these before. Another difference between Negan's and these is the wood. There's like a wood, like, to give it kind of like a style. Negan's doesn't have that. Negan's is like almost pure black, pure dark blue, whatever color they are. Has the belt buckles that Negan's boots have on The Walking Dead. That's the main reason why I got these. Not because it's St. John's Bay, not because it's based on John the Apostle, but because it's for my Negan cosplay, if you want honesty. Because you guys saw it in an older video, and it was pretty good. It was okay. It wasn't the best cosplay, but now I've gotten better jackets, more accurate jackets. Not the most accurate jacket, but I've gotten pretty close. I'm not going for 100% cosplay. So if you're cosplaying as Negan from The Walking Dead, these boots are for you. They are made for walking, and that's just what they do, because one of these days, well, these boots are going to walk all over your ass. But anyway, that's beside the point. They have the zipper. Really, really, really good zipper. I have not worn them yet. I can't unzip it all the way because I got this thing still in it. I actually don't like to wear boots, as I said, or new shoes that I buy, because I don't want them to wear out quickly. Shoes today wear out pretty quickly. Within 1 to 3 months, they start to really show their age. Old shoes, I remember being younger, I could have like a pair for a year, and then they finally start to show. But yes, it unzips. It does a little flap like Luke Skywalker's Return of the Jedi shirt when he's opening Darth Vader's mask and letting him look upon him with his own eyes. Has that fold over. You can fold them over. It's very stretchy. It is genuine leather. These ones are genuine leather. They had a plastic leather, pleather, if you will, variant of these that standard go for 50, and then on Black Friday I believe they went for like 20. So it was 50% off, like, or 55% off. Sorry. And they have Ortho-Lite, comfort from the inside out, and it helps protect from fungus and odor, because foot odor is a thing, I guess. I guess people don't wash their feet anymore. It's not like Jesus in the Gospel of John washing his apostles' feet when they wore sandals back then, or they were barefoot. But yeah, very, very nice design. I understand the line's still not perfect, but you can see them a lot better. There's no orange tint. If you watch the other video, there was orange. Like, it looked like my boots were orange or brown. These ones, they're just very impressive. And here's the sole. They keep the little wood, like the wood look, even on the sole. It's really cool. It's a nice divider. You have the divider. Here's the style of the sole when you step in the snow, and it makes like little pluses and crosses and stuff like that, like the Red Cross or Cross of Christ, as the Christians will say. Even though, anyway, it's a long story. But these are pretty good boots. They're not the worst boots. They're made for walking, man. Come on, give them a break. I don't know why my video was kind of, anyway, doesn't really matter. So yeah, awesomeness, awesome stuff. Love the belt. It's almost Negan, but not exactly. So you can actually put your own style on your Negan cosplay. Once again, I'm Joshua from Job and Joshua's History of Some Reviews, and I'm signing out. And this